Looking to buy a property for generating regular rental income? Wait! An average rental yield in India is just 2% to 4%, and that too is taxable. Is there any better alternative for your monthly cash flow requirement? Yes, systematic withdrawal plan from mutual fund is an answer. SWP helps you to withdraw fixed amount regularly from your mutual fund investments. Choosing SWP over rental income from property has many advantages. Consistent monthly inflow. SWP offers you consistent monthly cash flow from the very first month. In case of your property, if it is vacant, you stop receiving rental income until you find a new tenant. Tax efficiency. SWP provides you better tax-efficient cash flow. Rental income from property is taxable, while in case of SWP, only capital gain is taxable. Partial withdrawal. Partial withdrawal is possible from your mutual fund investment, which is not possible in case of property investments. Easy liquidity. You can sell your mutual fund units anytime, while in case of property, finding buyer at the time of selling can be difficult. Peace of mind. SWP provides you the peace of mind because mutual fund investments are not subject to litigations like title disputes or trespassing. To generate a regular monthly cash flow from your investments with peace of mind, invest in mutual funds and opt for systematic withdrawal plans. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.